Open sesame, Jace. Hala ka. Nananana naman yan, Jace. Kinangkoy mong jirbo yan. Mga teretetetet na naman ganyan. Oren din ako sandang pusit Bangkok.
At sa bata?
Maragul eh.
Dapat mo na in-upload na kay Jace. Ako ay... After a day in the range.
Ayan, relax. Time to relax.
May video ka kanya.
Oh. Oh, cheers, cheers. Oh. Cheers, boys. Yeah.
Yung kalasa.
What is it? I can see the downstairs from down there. Wow, there's not something like you.
Ayan na, luto na. Matikman. Kainan ulit.
Wala pang
Kainan ulit, steak.
Mami, naiwan pa ng crab eh. Oo, kon lang, talukap lang.
Gulay. Balo-balo. Oh, kaway-kaway. Mayan. Folks.
See? This is what you get when you endorse.
Fair game.
But there's another one, see?
Fair game.
Look at this one. It's a different.
Ate, ha? Busit? Pag-busit na? Come here. Look.
Look at your gift from the great outdoors.
So what can you say?
What will you say?
Thank you.
Video muna.
Awkward natin.
Wala po akong food. Pinat ako nag-video ako, hindi ko nilalabas na malaki ako. Ano ko lang doon? Dahil doon sa Edmonton, dinala namin sila para oo.
Tell you to hi.
Say something about this family gathering then.
My please like and subscribe. Click the video comments down below and leave a comment so you won't miss any features.
On which channel?
Yeah.
What channel?
Called Shin Pumpkin Harvesting Time.
Shin Pumpkin. May YouTube pala to eh. May YouTube din pala eh. Oh, hindi pala yung YouTube pala.
It's the great outdoors.
Hindi na sinabi, great outdoors. So promote my channel, Great Outdoors. Okay.
Great Outdoors is
Yeah.
my gemstone. Great, it's still fancy.
Okay, so what can you say about the Great Outdoors?
The Great Outdoors is a fun place. And I'm hiding something in my hand. A yellow gemstone.
Wow, that's your magical gemstone.
Turo mo yung nasa biyan.
Okay, tell them to subscribe to Great Outdoors.
That's the name of the channel.
Please click the comments down below and click the like button and press subscribe so you won't miss any features.
Support my lolo.
And support my channel, Pumpkin Carving Contest.
Promote yung channel na eh.
Bye!
Bye! Promote talaga yung channel niya eh. Hindi yan channel ko eh.
Green Outdoors
Channel.
channel. Not yours.
It's actually mine.
Inangkin na. Okay.
Lolo's channel.
Okay, sige, sa'yo na.
And the name is
I-edit
The
mo
Great
niya,
Outdoors.
Iabigin ito.
Lolo's channel.
Oh yeah, both. How about both? Isip niya bakit?
Okay.
Both.
Okay daw, Di. Okay daw. Di, okay daw.
Okay. Okay. Again.
Do you know that I'm Lola's other child? I hit a rock inside my hand.
Is that a great outdoors
The great
talisman?
This is made from the Great Outdoors video. And click the comments below. Lolo's channel,
Which is?
Not Lolo.
Which is?
which is the Great Outdoors.
Thank you. Thank you, Shinshin.
May-edit ng tama. Yeah.
Kaya babayaran mo siya.
Yeah. And then, ayun, maaga ka pa bukas.
Meron ka
Diba, makikita ka pa namin bukas.
Bawal.